Alright, we live or what? Yo. Hello, 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 hello. Can y'all hear me or what? Spam 41s. Yeah, sorry, it took me a second. Guys. Oh, it's running back. Really? Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Alright, guys. Quickly, going over J30. Sorry, it took me a second, but I see how we're clearly in a bullish trend. What do we get? We got a higher low that led to a higher high, and what happened after that? We're now retracing back down. On the 30-minute, you can see we're retracing into this level of demand where we got a clear rejection. Price tried to push down here. We're now starting to break lows. As you go to the 15-minute, same type of thing where we're tapping in here, taking out liquidity below these lows. Where I don't know, I'm just like I kind of said on last night's stream, I don't like to enter the markets the same way I exit them, or vice versa. You know what I'm saying? So like if I usually would be waiting for, um, you know, frozen. Well, let me check it out. Am I frozen, chat? Hello? Am I frozen, chat? Oh no, I'm good. Nah, so basically what I was trying to say is that like this is a level of demand where usually if price taps in your demand, you're looking for buys. I'm not the type to try and just sell through because the demand's not holding, right? No, I have to wait for then a new setup to kind of occur and you know set up before entering. Because as of now, this would be a buy area, so I'm not just gonna sell because it's breaking some sort of low. But that's on J30. If we tap on over to France 100, guys. UK 100. It was absolutely beautiful last night. If you guys were on the stream, we caught beautiful buys. And the thing that I loved the most about it was the closure, because I always talk about it. But if you have a plan going into a trade of, oh, I'm taking this trade because of these reasons and I'm taking price to this area, well, if price goes to that area, take your profits. Your trade idea played out. So for me, the reason I'm happy is I went into the trade with 5 lots. I took this trade based upon bullish structure, liquidating the lows, but not only were there lows, but it was Asia session lows, and you guys know how I love looking for that for my entries. As you guys can see, look for the liquidation of Asia lows, and we got the distribution up to the Asia highs. Asia highs is where I took my first partials at, where I think I only took like a lot, honestly. I'm going to be completely honest, out of the 5 lots, like 1 or 1.5, I'd have to go back and check. But after that, I left price running. Then as soon as we came and then took out the previous New York session highs, that was my target that I was looking for. So when price kind of came up and showed that we were rejecting, I closed, an extra 3 of the lots. So that means 4 out of the 5 lots were closed, and I put my stop loss to break even. And that one lot I kept running actually came all the way back and hit me break even, which it goes to show, follow your plan. If I was the type to keep holding, I wouldn't have gotten to, I wouldn't have gone that, basically. I wouldn't have gone all those profits. That makes sense, chat? Those are 41s. 41, 41, 41. Someone asked me the other day, why 41s? And I was like, probably a reason you don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you know, you know. When you guys are here. Make sure you guys like the stream. If you guys don't like the stream doesn't get pushed out, and then it just says that you guys hate it and whatever. So like the stream, be engaged with it, and that's gonna send the stream out to more people. I'm gonna grab a water real quick, but actually no, let's break down UK 100 first. So those are the buys from last night. Played out beautifully, but then we got the retracement down just for a lower liquidation before we distributed all day. As you guys can see, freaking like New York was crazy. Like New York came up, huge buying pressure, and all we've done is push up. So going into tonight, I'm gonna remove all of the drawings from last night, but that was a beautiful trade. But I'd say that we were traced back up to a huge rejection area. You can see up at these highs, clearly have rejected multiple times, where I am overall bullish. but I'd want to take price in a discount, like down to the Asia lows or something, to then see. Because like my thing is this, like you don't want to buy straight into the resistance because it could easily just return. But you know you can do, wait for a retracement lower to liquidate something, still having that bullish bias, and then get in here where you're already in the trade for the push up. And if you come up to the rejection area and you reject, well, it doesn't matter. You can from there decide what you want to do. You can close partials, close your entire trade, um, because you got in at a discounted price and you're not just buying right into it. Right? Does that make sense? What up, Athena? How are you? How are you? Good to see you. Aaron said gold buys. We'll check it out in a second. Let's remove drawings. So we're in a huge rejection area. I'd say that we do have the Asia low sitting right over here. Nice, like, you know, I'd say this is probably a 15-minute demand right here as well. So I'd say a retracement, like if this can maybe even like come up a bit, sharp decline, then tap and go, that would be a beautiful entry on UK 100. I got a question, guys. Who here in the chat was on for PM session today? You. Guys, what did you guys think about the entry I took today? Because I had so many people just not believing in the entry. And I'm telling you guys, when you guys have a plan, stick to it. Damn. Entry on UK 100, guys. I might be looking for buys. Really, UK 100? You want to run it back? I mean, J30. UK 100 was last night, but J30 wants it tonight. I'm kind of wait for my. Alright, I might buy and just have us do a smaller lot size. I would love to see price kind of come and hold, and then we'll get in. But what do y'all think? I was when my phone died when I was what? Your phone died watching the stream? Your boy Izzy was good. Izzy, how you doing, G? How was your guys' day, chat? In UJ cells? Make sure you guys all hit that like button, bro. Come on. Stop playing. That's what I'd say right there clearly for share and UK 100. I don't know. I don't like that they don't match up. Because that's one thing is that both of them, even though they might not look like what's it called? Picture perfect, like identical, they do usually go in the same direction overnight, like the trend. So I don't really like that I'm looking for sells for price to go lower on UK 100 to look for buys, then looking for buys now on JARE. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing to keep in mind. But make sure you guys all hit that like button. And everyone in the chat right now, I'm just curious. This is actually a crazy question. I probably never asked this on stream. I'm just super curious. Guys, it is only Tuesday. How many trades have you guys taken this week so far? And I also want you guys to say how many trades you guys usually take in a week. I am so curious. I'm gonna go get my water because I'm probably gonna throw up when I see how much freaking trade. I was gonna do a bottle flip, but you guys couldn't see it. All right. That's I'm waiting for as well. Oh yeah, elevated optics, good shit. Guillermo, it's good. Shout out Guillermo. Three's not bad. 2 as soon as the market opens with all the spreads. Why you trade right at the open? Marcus, you should know better, bro. Guys, trading right at session open on Sunday is low-key demonic. Some fiend shit. Okay, yeah, so 5 to 7 per week, that's actually not that bad. 25 scalps is crazy. You guys should not be taking that. 15 and 25 Jamal, brother. It's like, okay, now the selling pressure coming in was good. That should look bearish as shit. Getting the Asia lows to sweep would be good. Yo, Luke, you not waiting for Asia lows to get swept first before buy setup trend line? Yeah, no, I mean, that's like a plus setup was when that happens, but that doesn't happen every single time. You know, like last night when we got the beautiful Asia low sweep, clear, exposed previous New York highs as well as previous Asia high session. Haven't been taken out. Like, I don't know, you know, not every trade can be like that. Sometimes you gotta make it work. Type shit. But I'm not in or anything yet. Chat, you know, still chilling. Go check out gold real quick. Gold's in the middle of a range. I wouldn't really touch it right now. I don't really like it. I mean, if we consider this bearish, and then we see price lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is kind of like what happened today on NASDAQ. Price literally just swept the high like that, and I was bearish, so I just sold. It was so G. I'll go over it in a second, but GJ on the other hand, shit broken. Yeah, we'll see if we continue bullish here for DJ. I do have to say. What do you guys think on GJ, guys? Here, put a poll. Or actually, everyone just spam buys or sells. What do you guys? What is your guys' bias for tonight? Huh. Very back and forth. Let's do a quick poll. Buys. Alright, boom. Super curious. We're bullish as shit on GJ, I can't even lie. Break some structure. Alright, this is ideal. You want to break a structure to the upside, retracement into discount. Something like that on GJ is clean. Looks hella overbought. You look for sells. See, this is what's crazy. 62% says sells. Oh yeah, this is fire. Waiting for an inducement on GJ, then yep. Amazing. Buys. Oh yeah. There's a 15-minute demand. I don't know. It's just so bullish, guys. Like, I understand that you guys say, like, oh, it's so overbought, I'm going to sell it. Well, if it was so overbought, then why does he keep buying? You know what I'm saying? Don't be someone that just tries to call the top. Wait for it to show you it wants to reject and go. All I meant by that, chat, was that you know, the markets don't care about how you feel, even though you might think it's, you know, overbought. Markets don't care what you just react. There's bullish news downside. Yeah, exactly. Shaz, who's your who'd you learn from? Sounds like we trade similar. We're in deep discount on higher time frames. Exactly. It's sold off. We're just buying up a bit now. Why not? J30 on the rise. Fuck. Let's go back over to it. I'm missing out. Oh my god. Chat. See, who made me go look at gold? I'm on your head. I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. Alright, guys. Might be looking for buys here. Losing 9 points. This could have some good risk reward potential if we actually do hold. Is that the 1 minute? Yeah, like I'm just on the 1 minute looking at it, but the 5 minutes where I keep seeing the demand, the rejections. I mean, to me, not a bad setup, you know what I'm saying? Like, overall bullish. This is the demand that caused the whole rally. We had lows to take out right here before tapping into it. So, like, you see here, candle kind of came in forward and rejected, but now we've done nothing but continue lower. So, I basically dropped down to like a lower time frame and looked for a liquidation. And, I mean, none yet. The candles on here look weird. That's the one thing I don't like about trading. Like, Jaren shit. I feel like the candles are weird. I'm just a teenage baby. Mm. Go over the NAS trade from this morning too, guys. Oh damn, look at that. Look how it took out that high. That was more of a, to me that looked more of a freaking liquidation than a whatever it's called. Bigger structure. I've been learning from 4 years. Browse all kind of shortcuts and oh yeah, just keeping things simple. Yeah, I was just curious because you were saying things like inducement and waiting for a liquidation against your direction. That's just all shit that I look for, guys. It's just so crazy. Um, how I like to articulate my strategy. If I had to break it down with like only a couple words, it would literally be that like find your bias and then wait for a liquidation opposing in an opposing direction and then wait for kind of a breaker structure back up. That's literally what I look for. So for overall bullish and we're in a pullback, whatever, I literally look for like a lower time frame, like sell off, like fake to the downside, and look for a breaker structure back up, and I look for. You like taking a ride after the liquidity sweep? Yeah, like that's always good, but you have to be pretty confident. Like even like the sells today, guys, on NAS. So kind of go over it. So for those who were not on my stream today for PM session, we caught these these sells, ended up playing out pretty freaking beautifully and did exactly what I thought. So y'all gotta understand who has the balls to sell when price is bullish as hell like that. Look at this. All we've done is kind of move up, higher, higher, all type of stuff. Look at this bullish candle that came and liquidated these highs. Who do you know can confidently in front of, I think there's like 60 of you guys even there today. Who do you know will just sell when we're just breaking highs like that? I literally didn't really wait for break of structure, nothing. I literally went to the 1 minute. I wonder if I could go to the 1 minute on it. And I mean, we were in it. Consolidated a while, but it was beautiful. So that was my entry. It was when price had like a big 1 minute up to the upside morning star, and then as soon as he broke back down on the next candle, kind of got in. We did consolidate, but exactly what I said was going to happen ended up happening. And you saw that I even drew that I wanted a retest up near structure to form that head and shoulders to continue lower, and look what happened. We got the push up, created kind of the head and shoulder pattern, and what happened after? Now all we've done is create the shoulder and boom, all the way down. So absolutely beautiful. Like I said, guys, everyone's telling you buy. That's when you should start looking for sells. It was a beautiful setup. Shout out to those who were on stream to catch it though, and for those who took it and believed in me, because at the end of the day, I mean, like I said, look at that. Look at how savage that entry is, guys. Two bullish ass engulfing candles, breaking previous highs and closing above the highs, and then I just say sell. Everyone was like, "What? Huh? What'd you say?" Bro. Everyone thinks you're crazy till it works out, and then all of a sudden you're a genius. That's how business is. Where'd I get that quote from? I've heard of something on like when how I always tell you guys how I listen to those quote fucking YouTube videos all the time. Everyone thinks you're, all of a sudden you're crazy until it works. All of a sudden you're a genius. What up, Cam? Good to see you, brother. Everyone hit that like button for my boy Cam. Busted on the beat. Oh, beat, bro. Beat, bro. What's up, Luca? What's up, Yak Baby? Good to see you, brother. Why we got 61 people, only 24? That's what I'm saying. How's there so many y'all in the chat, but no one's even. Come on, where y'all at? Come on now. My boy Cam's calling you out. I'm just being there. Like your chat might be looking. I'll try to be a 30-minute open though. 30-minute. I'm just. How many lots should I do? Probably another 5 lots. Oh damn! See, no, I know Jerry's. I gotta get mine, bro. I miss Magic Keys. Magic Keys is the way. Or just risk it for you. I'm just. For those who are not in the trade, just be careful because there is no bottom wick on the 30-minute. But if you're in, you're along for the ride. Let's sit on the beat. Oh. Waiting. Should be a fun trade chat. Should be a fun trade chat. Let y'all know. Got my finger on the trigger. I'm just. What's good, Luca? I loved your power hour session. Do it again. Come on now. Y'all liked it? Chat, who liked it? What up, Matt? DJ Stone there was in the. A 5-minute on Jer was a liquidation. But you know, we were aware that it was a 30-minute open, no bottom wick. Hopefully, you know, in an ideal world, we'll come get a bottom wick, break highs, we're in the trade. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. Bottom wick created. Bottom wick created. Break above 22,100. And we end. Didn't even down here. I'm even looking at it down in here. Just get like a lower entry, bigger stop loss, let it freaking. Waiting for a break. Honestly, chat, like even just like crazy. You ever try futures on TOPSTEP? Sorry, nah, I heard that they're good though. I need to try them next. For sure, for sure. Flip, flip. What is this candle action? I feel like I'm trying to rush this trade again. I know I did that one other time. I think we hit TP on it still, but I always feel like sometimes I try and rush things. See, look, it's just like selling off. I'm thinking about these buys, chat. They look good, but price just keeps making lower highs and lower lows. I do want to see that break and get a push up, but you know, if it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. If this just breaks lows, I don't even want to touch it. Can't lie. NASDAQ. Ooh, kind of has that reverse head and shoulders pattern I always talk about right here. Textbook. US 30. Once again, guys, I wouldn't trade this even during London, really. But, I mean, been bullish. We had this downtrend. Could draw some sort of trend line like this. You can see we're kind of about to come and sweep these lows. So similar, I always say we're in a bullish trend, kind of in a retracement. Sweep the lows, break a structure if we can hold, wait for it to break again. Entry up in here. You know what I'm saying? Really what I look for, chat. Yeah, I remember when I marked this up on UK1, or we're already back. What's this zone? All right, chat. You got any questions or anything? Let me know. German 30. Come on now. All right, chat. Sheesh. Damn, the contract size on these are huge. I always say that. All right, well, I can go stop loss on this one. Oh yeah, chat. Guys, I'm on the 1 minute, so this looks like it's flown a lot because I was able to get enough to buy stops above here. But if you guys are late to it, I do not. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that you're not late to the. I would not say that you're late to the trade. I just am in deep. I'm up a little back already. That 5-minute rejection was so nice. Stop us at the lows, see if we can hold it. We're flying, chat. J30. Sorry guys, I had them on my screen. What's your favorite time to trade? Around this time, a little bit before London. Always amazing. We're flying, chat. I'm not gonna lie, it hit buy, and I also put buy stops at the buys or at the break above here. So my entries are kind of crazy. We're sitting around TP1 right here, sitting up around 3,000. Kind of crazy. It's because I added 1.5 extra lots. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. Not the smartest, but at the end of the day, guys, I was willing to take the risk because of how small this stop loss is. If you guys go to any time frame, look at where I'm trying to buy from. Literally the very, 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 very lows. Like if price comes down, and if you guys see where I have my stop loss, if price breaks there, I'm expected to sell the frick off. You know what I'm saying? So getting a little heavy, small stop loss, the risk to reward is there, because if I can get a push all the way to continue the move, because if you guys think about it, we're overall bullish. All I did was wait for a lower time frame liquidation of lows in my overall trend. Once we tapped in, dropped down to a lower time frame, and literally just waited for price to kind of come, lead to a consolidation as soon as you broke up. Because like I kept saying before, all we kind of done is make lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. I was waiting for his price to hold and then break with, you know, volume, which is the exact reason why I added that extra buy stop, was because I don't know, in my head I was like, you know what? If price can break past this and I can get another buy stop, price shouldn't just wick us in reverse. I can go break even at that point. So um, that's working out. You know what I'm saying? If price does come down to break even on one of the positions, it's going to get cut out, break even, and then one of them will just be left running. And if I hit stop loss, I hit stop loss. But I'm actually up a bag right now, so I should hold. But I don't want to like not follow my plan just because I quote unquote over risk, if that makes sense. Because we still haven't really hit a 1-to-1 on the given setup. So, you know, I don't want to like, even though I'm up technically more than 1 hour, um, the trade still hasn't done its thing yet. So I got to think like hindsight of like, you know what? I could close now and quote unquote be happy with my profits, which, you know, I always recommend is good. But if I actually follow my plan and maybe hold this for 1-to-2, 1-to-3, it's going to be a pretty massive day. So just got to stay patient. Could be a pretty massive night. I can't even lie. I love it. Thank you, J30. J30 and France 100. Loving us. Come on, break that high. Hit that 1-to-1. What pairs do I trade? I trade DAX. Boom. Can we get some W's in the chat? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Price is flying. Come on. Look at that. Massive day. This is what I'm saying. If one of the entries goes back to break even, it's all good. I don't even care. If we stay in this, I'm gonna draw my kind of safety triangle like this as well. TP2, I'd say. I don't know. I liked how we're coming up and liquidating this high right here. I'd say there's another mini one up in this area next to this supply. Let's see right in here. TP2. We're flying. Boom, guys. More W's in the chat. More W's. Oh my gosh. Come on. All right, this is kind of crazy. I literally, oh my god. I knew it. W's. Damn, quick ass. This is crazy. Massive day. Guys, more W's. Oh my gosh. Back at it with the live stream. TP. Oh my god. My phone always glitches right there. Guys, more W's, more W's, more W's. Guys, you literally think we make this up because we just win every single freaking night. W's in the chat. Oh my god. Guys, you can't just let it just be Cam. Where's everyone at? How many of you guys are here? Bro, shout out to everyone who was here to catch another one. Imagine not being on the live streams. That would actually suck. Personally. Behind a Big Mac, literally. Because the W's. Back at it again, guys. If I wasn't on the streams, I think this was a freaking, you would lie. But big W's in the chat. Thank you to J30. J30 and UK 100 have been the moves past couple of nights. But shout out to everyone who was here on the stream. And shout out to J30, guys. Once again, come tune into the live stream. Stop missing out all this sauce. Let's go. Damn, another W. Are you on tomorrow? Bro, I'm on all the time. All right, guys, I'm up massive. I can't even lie. I don't even want to say the number. I'm gonna close some partials. Like I said, guys, I don't want to close 1-to-1. Imagine if I wouldn't have followed my rules. This is such a good learning lesson, guys. What did I say when we were at TP1? is that I could, be quote unquote happy with my profits. But the way my strategy works is I go for high risk reward. I go for 1 to 2s. I go for 1 to 3s. So just because I was at a 1 to 1, I wasn't going to close. I followed through with my plan. We're now sitting at TP2. I am happy with my profits. I do kind of want to hold for TP3, but I think closing none now would not be smart. So I am going to close some partials as we're taking out this high. So for anyone who wants to close some partials with me, I'm going to close half of each position. So you can see right here. Ooh, closed there. I'm going to come into this one as well and close another lot right there. Boom, closed. And we still have bankroll rolling. Stop loss break even. Absolutely insane. What a massive day. Wow. Textbook. Textbook chat. And we're closed. You know what I'm saying? Risk free now. I made. Yeah. I'll show you guys actually. Damn, bro. What? That buy stop was very. I don't know how to put it. I don't want to say it was risky because it was calculated. But damn, that was G. I kind of bought in here and kind of went down. And then I put a buy stop at the high. Shot me in profit. Chat, y'all can't even lie. If you guys weren't on the streams to see it live, you guys wouldn't believe it. Like, if you guys just watch my stories and you guys see me, like, just call, like, 6 TPs in a row, I wouldn't believe it either. But guess what, chat? We're here doing it freaking live. Y'all are the witnesses. Would you do a prop firm live? That's kind of what I'm doing with my futures account. For anyone who's not trading with me during the day, today I had my first winning trade live on my futures account as I'm trying to pass the firm. That shit was so fun. You guys can go watch the thing. I didn't care. I was trading simulated. I don't care about blowing those challenges. The only time I get a little nervous and these things, when I get a little quiet near entry, is when I'm trading live or anything. If I'm trading simulated or a challenge or whatever, I'm down to trade, guys. I'll take 2 or 3 trades in a night. I don't care. Stops break even. I still have a lot on the table, guys. The only reason I'm still holding is I'm really trying to practice my psychology of following through my plan. Because at the end of the day, guess what? Trend line has still not been closed below. So until this trend line gets closed below, I still got to stay into it. As soon as we close below it, I'm going to close more. I'm still going to leave a little bit running because I'm happy with my profits. So if I leave a little running and it gets hit break even, I won't care. But if I keep a little running and it goes to TP whatever, then guess what? GG's. W chat. Bro, I actually would think that I would think we were lying. I would think it was cap. But guys, look at that. Look at the rejection of that trend line. See what I'm saying? That's why you have rules to stay in. And look at that. That is why the trendline strategy is so beautiful. Is price will come down and use it basically as a support. It'll make a higher low against the trend line and continue up and make a higher high. And you're not freaking out trying to close just because it's breaking lows. You're staying in because we just maintained using it as a support to continue higher. Damn, we're up a baggy chat. Life's crazy. Life's actually wild. What the frick? Bless. Bless, 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 bless. I am telling y'all. Guys, that's why the trendline strategy is great. We're still in this. We are flying up a bag. Good night. You're going to bed, Marcus? Dude, after this, I just want to celebrate. Lately, I don't remember any loss on live stream with Luca. That's what I'm trying to say. Is that, I'll mark up charts. I'll go, all right, this might look good, whatever. But when it comes to like all the trades lately that we've been executing, guys, on stream, it's pretty crazy. Put a W to that. Diamond hands. That's what I'm saying. He's still holding. I'm literally here just to feed the people. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. This is why. DJ broke Asia high. I'll check it out in a second, chat. I'm happy with this. I'm literally just waiting for this little closure below the trend line, and then I'm out. TP100 incoming. That'd be crazy if it like London opened and freaking just shot up. W setup. Come on now. What's good, Salva? Welcome back, bro. Dude, we hit another freaking banger on stream. I literally just keep winning. I don't know what's wrong with me. I always bang on stream. That's what I'm saying. It's kind of crazy. It's actually kind of disgusting how, bro. I don't know, chat. It's just crazy because there's so many people out there who like can't learn trade and they don't learn the right information. That's because they're not here with the right people, chat. All right, chat. So you can see here we did get a closure below. That was a really good kind of volume candle up. Kind of hesitant to close, but you know, if this candle does kind of flip bearish, I will be closing more partials. So I'm just waiting a second to see if we kind of flip here. If we continue kind of bullish, I'll hold it. But it looks like boom, yeah, there we go. We get a little flip. I'm gonna be closing right here, chat. 90%. I'm going to here. Got this closed. Going to the other position here. And crazy. All right, chat. We're really out here the risk-free. Damn. What a day with the closed P&L, and then we're still running. Oh my gosh. I love this. Damn, boom. Look at London Open too. Thank God we closed right there. All right, let's wait and see, chat. Oh. Look at that volume. Do we have news? Oh, what a closure. Oh, what a closure. Oh my gosh. What a closure. What a closure. Come on. Come on. I don't even care. Boom. And I'm out. I'm out break even. And guys, why am I smiling? Because guess what? That is why you will never go broke taking profits, guys. We closed 90% at the very top there before that dump. That was crazy. Damn. No more running, chat. We got all the rest closed out. This was a beautiful freaking trade. Oh my God. Shout out to everyone who was in here, but shout out to everyone who also closed at the top. This is why that trendline strategy works so well. Close at the top. As soon as you get that closure below, it's probably come back to break even anyways. But damn, chat. That was crazy. W stream. That was absolutely wild. That was absolutely wild. What a freaking closure. Wow. All right, well, W's in the chat, guys. 41's in the chat. What a freaking stream. Shout out to everyone who watched that happen live. That was beautiful. What a closure. I literally come and show you right here. Look at those closures at the top. You can see right there at the top on the left. Little arrows or whatever, but I'm gonna go post it on my Instagram story too. Probably. Why not? But W freaking stream. That was absolutely beautiful. Shout out to those who are here to, you know, watch it live. See you guys in the next one. Keep coming back to keep learning. And guys, guess what? If you guys want more trades, I'm gonna go continue to trade with VIP. Make sure you guys click this link and join. Make sure you guys are also subscribed to the channel on top of being a part of VIP, because I do have a video dropping tomorrow on YouTube. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys all for coming on the stream. W trade, W stream. You guys are the best. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, gang. You can't even see me now. This is me and J30. Oh, you know what I'm saying? I don't even give a fuck. UK 100, J30, I don't even care. GJ, gold, NASDAQ. It don't matter. I really don't matter. Power hour, London session, New York session, it don't matter. I will show up and get it done. That's all I'm going to say. But I appreciate y'all. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Chat. Boom. Look it. It's crazy. What a freaking closure. Love y'all.